Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, he mentions if a person, and also Nawawi mentions this as well, if a person wants to clean their mouth, they should brush their mouth with their left hand. So when you wake up in the morning and you want to brush your teeth, use your left hand. Also, this is qawl of Imam Ahmad rahimahullah, and Ibn Taymiyyah mentions that there was nobody who went against Ahmad in this issue. Yani no one before him said anything other than that. Okay, but there came differences after Imam Ahmad rahimahullah. So if a person's waking up in the morning, then they should use their left hand when they brush their teeth. But within the day, if you just want to brush it 2, 3, 4 times a day, then you can use your right hand then. Using your right hand, it's fine for your siwaak. Okay? But when it comes to cleaning your mouth, it's good that you do it with your left hand and not with your right hand.